Alright team, so this is what we're going to be drawing. It'll be 2 lessons. So first step, let's do a nice fancy heading. Top left corner of our book. Should use a ruler. If you want to be real extra, you could do a little drop shadow. Make it look real nice. Now our heading is going to be drawing bottles and ellipses. Alright, now we're going to be drawing 4 kind of weirdly shaped bottles. So to help us out, we're going to draw 4 vertical lines across our A4 workbook. Make sure your book is landscape, not portrait. And if you want to draw a nice horizontal line at the bottom, we've got a good basis to set up our 4 bottles. So we'll start with the first one. So we should be well practiced in drawing that ellipse shape now from last lesson. Look at where I'm holding my pencil. I'm holding it quite high so that I can draw nice light lines. If I was holding it down below, I'm going to get really dark lines. So I'm still trying to work that ellipse shape. So I really want nice light sketchy lines. So we've drawn 3 ellipses with a little tiny ellipse at the top and some contour lines going in, a small ellipse down the bottom and some more contour lines to give it the effect that it is kind of bumping up at the bottom. When you're happy with that shape, we can go over with our fine line pen. You can kind of see those contour lines a little bit more clearly now. Now we only want to outline kind of the outside of the shape, nice and neat. And don't forget those little contour lines. It kind of looks like a T, but then a little curve kind of going down the lip of the ellipse shape. Alright, bottle number 2. Make sure that you are using that vertical line that you've drawn in your book to help you have a nice even ellipse. Half on one side of the vertical and half on the other. This is like a little drink bottle. We've got a little tiny baby ellipse in the middle with some contour lines. And then fine line pen. Number 3. So just a basic cylinder shape with that small ellipse down the bottom and contour lines. And a lid, kind of looks like bottle number 1. But it's got a larger base. it might be a little bit easier if you want to move your book on an angle when you're doing the fine line pen, so you can get your lines as straight as you can. So we've got those contour lines at the bottom. Contour lines at the top, and the last bottle shape, we've got a little teeny tiny baby ellipse at the bottom, and then this is the only weird one, we've got an ellipse that's on an angle. It's kind of a very odd shape, like a vase. Now we're putting in some little details, because these are all transparent but with lids on them, so we want to give it like a glass kind of effect. Just drawing a couple of little circles, make it look like it's got like liquid inside. Some little cast shadows, which are basically the same shape ellipse as the bottom, maybe slightly bigger, and just some nice little crosshatch lines to fill in that cast shadow effect. Is it, my friends. Video number 2 will be about